Can we mark repositories with at component? Well, both at component and at repository register a class as a Spring Bean, but only at repository gives you something extra, called exception translation. If a exception or hibernate exception is thrown, guess what? You have to catch and handle it manually. This leads to ugly try-catch blocks and DB-specific logic everywhere. With at repository, Spring automatically translates low-level exceptions, like exception into data integrity violation exception. Exception translation means you no longer have to deal with dozens of vendor-specific exceptions. Spring wraps them into clean, unchecked exceptions under its data access exception hierarchy. Consistent error handling. Unchecked exceptions mean fewer try-catch blocks. Framework agnostic works with JDBC, Hibernate JPA. Clean integration with Spring's AOP and transactions. Which means, at component is a generic stereotype for any Spring-managed component. At service is a specialization of at component used for business logic and service layer. At repository is a specialization of at component for DAOs with built-in exception translation. So yes, you can use at component everywhere, but you shouldn't. At repository gives you automatic exception translation. And that's a huge win for clean, maintainable code.